Hello viewers, I am sharing my next video on The Tempest, Act 2, Scene 2. In this video, I will cover from line number 145 to 190. We have read that Stephano has offered some wine to Caliban. Trinculo and Stephano, they both have met after the shipwreck, and Caliban is there. Caliban does not know who they are. So when Stephano offers him the wine, Caliban thinks that this is a divine drink. It means Stephano, this man, must have come down from heaven or from the sky. So he thinks that Stephano is the man in the moon. So overall, we can say that Caliban is very much influenced by the aura of Stephano. So when Caliban drinks that wine, in line number 145, so Trinculo says, "By this good light, this is a very shallow monster. I afeard of him, a very weak monster, the man in the moon, a most poor credulous monster, well-drawn monster in good sooth." From line number 145 to 150. So Trinculo understands that Caliban is a foolish man. That's why he is taking a common butler Stephano as divine man. Therefore, Trinculo says that I can swear by this good light, refers to the daylight or the light of sun. And I can swear by this light of sun and state that this monster is a very shallow. Shallow fellow means this monster does not have any senses. He seems to be a man of underdeveloped mind. I afeard of him a very weak monster. In the beginning, I was afraid of him. But now I come to know that he is a very weak-minded monster. He thinks that Stephano is the man in the moon. Actually, he speaks these words in a, you can say, funny manner or in a ridiculous manner, just to make fun of Stephano as well as of Caliban. He says that this monster thinks that Stephano is the man in the moon. So it means this is a most credulous monster. Credulous means gullible, means this monster can believe anything whatever is told to him. He does not have his own senses. So now he says that well-drawn monster means you have drunk enough now. Well-drawn matlab you have drunk good amount of wine, monster. In good sooth means truly speaking, I can say that you are overdrunk. But Caliban now speaks to Stephano. Instead of giving any response to the dialogue of Trinculo, Caliban speaks to Stephano. He says that I will show thee every fertile inch of the land, and I will kiss thy foot. I pray thee be my God. So this is the line where Caliban actually proposes Stephano to be his lord. Lord means to be his master. Caliban wants to leave his former master, yeah, you can say present master, Prospero. He does not like Prospero, so that's why he is very happy to find Stephano, and he thinks that he can be his new master. So that's why he tries to bribe Stephano. He tries to lure Stephano by saying that if you become my lord, if you become my god, so I can show you every inch of land on this island which is fertile, means which can produce food and grain. And I am ready to kiss thy foot, means I am ready to lick your feet just like a slave. Trinculo says, by this light, line number 155, you can see, by this light, a most perfidious and drunken monster, when his god is asleep, he will rob his bottle. Trinculo thinks that this man cannot be trustworthy. This monster cannot be trustworthy. He seems to be perfidious, means treacherous. He will deceive his master. He is overdrunk. That's why he is speaking all this. So I know, I am sure that when his God refers to Stephano. When Stephano is asleep, yani when Stephano falls asleep, this man will rob his bottle. Actually, Trinculo thinks that Caliban is saying all this because he wants to have more and more wine. But Caliban says, I will kiss thy foot, I will swear myself thy subject. Caliban again insists that, no sir, I am ready to kiss your feet. I am ready to lick your feet, and I swear that I am ready to be your subject. Subject means I am ready to be your slave. Stephano is happy. He says that, come on then, down and swear. Come on then, sit down. Down matlab you just sit on your knees and then swear, make a promise. Trinculo, I shall laugh myself to death at this puppy-headed monster, most scurvy monster I could find in my heart to beat him. Line number 160. Trinculo finds it difficult to believe all this because he knows the reality of Stefano. And now he has come to know what pumpkin-headed monster this is. So he says that if you keep on doing this, if you keep on becoming his slave, so I am going to laugh myself. I will just means my lungs will burst with laughter to see the puppy-headed monster. Puppy-headed monster means to see this stupid monster, most scurvy monster. I have found this monster the most scurvy. Scurvy means hateful. This is most disgusting monster, we can say. I could find in my heart to beat him. It says that to see his foolishness, actually I am longing to beat him. It's somewhere in my heart, I wish that I could beat him for this foolishness. But Stefano speaks to Caliban that you come and kiss my foot. And he gives some more drink to Caliban. But Trinculo again says, he again interrupts, but that the poor monster is in drink, an abominable monster. Trinculo says, this monster is in drink. He is totally intoxicated and abominable monster. So at this moment, we can say he is the most detestable monster, the most hateful monster. Caliban says, I will show thee the best springs, I will pluck the berries, I will fish for thee and get the wood enough. So Caliban had been doing so many things for Prospero, for his previous former master. So now he is ready to all those jobs for his new master, that is Stefano. So he says that I will show thee the best springs. Okay, there are many fresh water springs on this island which I can show you. I will pluck berries for you which you can eat as food. I will fish for you and I will bring food for fuel also. A plague upon the tyrant that I serve. He thinks that he just again curses Prospero. He abuses him, saying that I wish that a plague should fall on my master whom I have been serving till now. He calls Prospero tyrant. It means that word tyrant means cruel. So this shows that he has deep-rooted hatred for Prospero. I will bear him no more sticks, but follow thee, thou wondrous man. So he makes a promise to wonderful Stefano. Calling him wondrous man means you are a wonderful man. So let me tell you that I will follow you now, and I am no more going to serve my former master. Trinculo, a most ridiculous monster, to make a wonder of a poor drunkard. Line number 170. So Trinculo again cannot help laughing at the foolishness of Caliban. So he says that this is the most absurd kind of monster, and what a big fool he is that he is taking a drunkard man, because Stefano is also overdrunk. So he is taking that drunkard man to be a wonderful master. But Caliban doesn't bother about the remarks of Trinculo. So he continues luring his new master. Caliban says in line number 170 to 75, I prithee, let me bring thee where crabs grow, and I with my long nails will dig the pig nuts, show thee a jay's nest. So he continues to tell him about the, you can say, characteristics of that, about the special features of that island. He says that I can take you to that place where crabs grow, crab apples grow, and I can dig the ground with my long nails and take out the edible roots of plants from this ground. Show thee a jay's nest. I can take you the nest of a jay. Jay is a small bird. So I can take you over there and instruct thee how to snare the nimble marmoset. And I can tell you how to snare means how to trap. The nimble means very swift moving. Marmoset is a kind of monkeys. So I can tell you how to tame them. I will bring thee to clustering filberts, and sometimes I will get the young scammers from the rock. So I will bring thee to clustering filberts. Filberts refers to hazelnuts. Okay, that means hazelnuts. So I will take you to the groves of hazelnuts, and sometimes I will take you to those young scammers. Scammers is also a kind of bird, a kind of hawk, which breeds on cliffs. So I will take you the rock cliffs where you can find young scammers. Will thou go with me? So after telling all the features of this island, which he can help Stefano to find, so he asked him, will you go with me? Means, are you ready to go with me? Are you ready to accept me as your slave? Stefano, I pray thee now, lead the way without any more talking. Stefano is very happy. He says, I request you that lead the way. Yani ke you show me the way, I will follow you. Trinculo, the king, and all our company as being drowned, we will inherit here. Here, bear my bottle fellow Trinculo. So actually Stefano thinks that since his King Alonso and all other people who were boarded on that ship, traveling in that ship, so they all have drowned. So since nobody has been left alive, so Trinculo, it's a good opportunity for us to be you can say, stay alive in this island. So we will inherit here, means we will become the resident of this place. And you bear my bottle fellow Trinculo. So my friend Trinculo, you just take my bottle, we will fill this bottle again and again. So Caliban sings in a drunkard manner, he is very happy, overjoyed to find a new master. So he bids farewell to his former master. Trinculo, a howling monster, when he sings in a very rough voice. So Trinculo says that, why are you shouting, drunken monster? But Caliban says that, no more dams I will make, nor fish, nor fetching, firing, etc., etc. So in the end, line number 185 to 90, this song, he says that I am no more going to serve Prospero anymore. So now ban ke Caliban means Caliban is going to have a new man as his master. So that's all in this scene. So Stefano is very happy to find Caliban to serve him. Thank you, viewers.